Hi, Mitch Jackson, Jackson & Wilson. Today, I'd like to show you 3 great ways to find a good lawyer to represent you in your case. These 3 methods I've been recommending for more than 20 years, and without exception, they've worked very, very well for the people I've given this information to. I hope you find this information just as valuable. The first way to find a good lawyer is to ask your family and friends. Who did they hire to represent them in their legal matter? And make sure it's a matter that's similar to yours, because lawyers specialize in different types of cases. But who did they hire, and were they happy with the attorney who they hired? Did the attorney return their phone calls? Was the satisfaction level a 10 out of 10? Because frankly, you shouldn't have to settle for anything less than that. Get feedback from these people about their experiences with a lawyer. This also includes people at work, managers, businessmen, executives who own companies. Who would they recommend you to see as for an attorney based upon the set of facts that you have in your case? So that's the first step to finding a good lawyer. The second step is to check several different online services. These are independent companies that actually go out, they survey different lawyers and judges in the local community, in your hometown, and they get feedback from these lawyers as to who these lawyers feel are the best lawyers and law firms in your area based upon their ability and based upon high ethical standards. The first company that comes to mind is Martindale-Hubbell. The web address is www.martindale.com. That's MARTINDALE.com. Go to martindale.com and do a search in your area for a lawyer using the drop-down list at the website in the, with respect to the legal matter, the type of legal case that you need help in. For instance, if you're in an automobile accident, you want to look for a personal injury or a lawyer. If you have a family law matter, you want to look for a family law specialist, bankruptcy attorney, a bankruptcy attorney, and so on. Do a search in Martindale-Hubbell for the type of lawyer in your geographic location, and then narrow down that search to lawyers who are AV rated. AV rated lawyers in Martindale-Hubbell website are those lawyers that have the highest ratings available for both ability, expertise, and ethics. You have one shot to win your case. Why not make sure you have an AV rated lawyer representing you? Another service you can use is a relatively new service. It's called Avvo. It's www.avvo. Do a similar type of search on Avvo and look for attorneys that have a high rating. I would suggest a 9.0 rating or above, all the way up to a 10.0 rating. Very similar type of search engine, and you can locate an attorney in your town from the Avvo website. For those of you that are injured because of someone else's wrongful conduct or negligence, I would suggest going to the American Association for Justice website, which is www.justice.org. Do a similar type of search that we've already talked about, and you'll tap into a group of plaintiff attorneys that have exceptional ratings, a great deal of experience, and who specialize in helping people who are injured because of someone else's or a company's wrongful or negligent conduct. You can use all 2 or 3 of these websites in conjunction with each other. If you find a good lawyer on Avvo, you can also run his or her name on the justice.org website or on the martindale.com website, okay? And try to get a feel for who you're most comfortable with based upon your telephone conversation with these attorneys. The third way you can find a good lawyer, and it's a little trick that I've used and suggested to clients over the years, is to contact the local bar association of the bar association in the city that you need legal assistance in. So let's say you live in Chicago. contact the Chicago Bar Association and ask them for the names of the last 2 or 3 presidents of that association. Normally, attorneys who are current or past presidents of their bar associations are well-respected, experienced attorneys that know what they're doing, and they know who's good in town, and just as important, who's not good in town when it comes to practicing law. So contact those lawyers and ask if they handle the type of matter that you need assistance with. If they do, that might be a good attorney to actually sit down and talk with and interview to see if you or he or she have a rapport and to determine whether or not they'll be able to assist you. If it's not, if the firm doesn't handle the type of legal matter that you need assistance with, ask them for the names of 2 or 3 referrals. Contact those attorneys and either over the phone or in person in the office, meet with those lawyers to see whether or not you're comfortable with the first impression that you have with those attorneys, but also see if it sounds to you after meeting with these attorneys if they have what it takes to represent you. So let's summarize the 3 best ways to find a good lawyer in your city or county. Number 1, ask your family and friends. Ask people at work. Get positive feedback about the attorney and see if there's anyone that's adamant about you hiring the lawyer that was able to successfully assist that person with their legal matter. You want to make sure you're specific about the type of legal case you have, because frankly, a criminal defense attorney is not going to be the best lawyer in most circumstances with helping you in a personal injury matter. A bankruptcy attorney is not going to be the best attorney to help you with a breach of contract case. So make sure when you talk to your family and friends that you let them know what type of case you have. The second way is to go online and do an attorney search with the various databases that are available. We're looking at martindale.com, we're looking at justice.org, we're looking at avvo.com, and there are some other good online databases also. So take a look at those. You can also run the names that you were given by your family and friends through these websites to see how the lawyers are ranked and evaluated independently by their local attorneys and judges in that particular town. The third way, contact the State Bar Association or the local bar association and ask for the name of the past 2 or 3 presidents and the current president. Call their offices and see if they can help you with your case, or if they have 1 or more names of attorneys they can refer you to. I hope you found this information useful in assisting you on how to find a good lawyer. We have several other videos at our site that are designed to show you what to do once you've found the right lawyer, what questions to ask that lawyer when you interview the lawyer, okay, what qualifications you need to look at. There are 7 or 8 different things that you need to go down on your checklist on when you're meeting with an attorney to make sure that you're getting the right attorney to help you with your case. It's critically important that you do this because you only have 1 chance to win your case. So you want to make sure you've got the right attorney assisting you with the legal representation, and if it goes to trial, obviously with trial and thereafter on appeal. I hope you found this information valuable. If you have any questions, give us a call. You can reach us at 1-800-661-7044. You can also go online. All of our contact information's up there. We have special reports online that will show you how to find the right attorney and go into everything I've just explained, to you in more detail. Go to the website at www.jacksonwilson.com. That's www.jacksonwilson.com. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for your time. Make today a masterpiece.